Drop for drop, nobody provides a better shower experience than the Hero Showerhead by Oxygenics. The combined powers of Oxygenics technology and dual shower heads will leave you feeling revitalized and confident enough to take on whatever the day has in store for you. Dual 4.25-inch shower heads provide over 8.5 inches of total spray coverage, so rinsing is a breeze. Our Oxygenics spray setting works like mini turbine jets, infusing the water with oxygen to expand each drop and significantly increase power, so you'll use less water while enjoying more skin revitalizing benefits. The Hero combo has super strength that comes from the 3-way diverter, giving you up to 63 spray combinations for a powerful, invigorating shower every time. A built-in comfort control lever allows you to easily adjust the water pressure from a powerful spray to a trickle, giving a customized shower experience every time. While a non-slip rubber grip prevents any slipping or dropping, even with the soapiest hands. The Hero combo has non-stick internal parts that prevent buildup, and like all Oxygenics products, is built to last and comes with our Never Clog warranty. The Oxygenics Hero is available in a chrome finish that complements existing decor. Oxygenics, now that's pure shower genius.